Good day, travelers! Get an idea where to travel? But do you know how to book flight at Airpaz? Let's check this out. Search flight. Choose the flight you prefer. You can use filter to narrow down your search. Enter traveler data. Don't forget to fill in contact information and traveler's details. Complete the payment and wait for the ticket in your email, or you can check your booking status in Orders menu. How is it? Easy, right? Booking a flight or hotel is just a piece of cake with Airpaz. What are you waiting for?